Alright, so in this episode of Men's Essentials, gentlemen, you will be hearing from the mighty women itself the few things that they do not like in a man, that they don't want men to do, or few things that men do wrong. I hope you learn something from it. I hope this video is engaging and entertaining and insightful for your taste. So, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya, this is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. One thing that you do not like in a man and a man can fix it or maybe work on it, what would that be?
Fingering. They just don't know how to do it.
Okay.
I think male chauvinism is the most annoying thing about men, so that's what they must drop. Male ego, it's really ridiculous.
I'd say guys today are not very gentlemanly. Like,
Okay, chivalry is not there anymore.
Chauvinistic nature.
Chauvinistic nature, male ego.
They are sexist.
Okay.
And a lot of times, I mean, when it comes down to energy or things like this, they think they are way more stronger than women are, and they actually underestimate women.
So equality ke naam pe these little things are disappearing, and I don't find it good.
Yeah,
These
so
little things are
equality at its own, but being a gentleman at its own place. So you
that
be a
should be
chivalrous
there.
guy. Fair enough.
Giving commitments, I think, because they do fake promises in the starting of relationship. I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do
They dominate women. They stare like not
You
a
objectify women. Like
Yeah,
bit
they
too
do.
sexist.
I think they're not good at the oral part, I would say.
They're not good at sex. The end.
Yeah, at the end, of course.
So, men should not take this for granted that I am this epic guy who can fuck.
That's
Right, true, of course.
loyal.
Men aren't loyal.
No, I don't.
So you would want a more loyal man, or at least a more honest man.
Expressing emotions, like
Yeah,
they
they're
don't
emotionally
express.
dumb.
Yeah,
they're
they
like,
don't
man,
express.
Take a bullet
Yeah,
and die.
I think that they mostly hide their emotions. Like if they're more
they are
like
emotionally
open
dumb
about
and you. Fair enough.
Actually, we have to insist them. So, like, tell us what do you feel and what do you want. Like, they're always silent and they don't speak,
And
and
not
then
cry.
they act in a very different way, and I can't understand.
Sometimes, in order to fit into the image of being manly, or when they're faced with the phrase of man up, so they try to
Hide
not
their
really
emotions.
come up.
They should be more open about their emotions.
Yeah,
There's nothing
right.
wrong in crying like a 5-year-old baby.
Exactly.
Doesn't make one fucking
Of course, they have this very,
Amazed feature, exactly.
they are obviously they're overconfident about it, but stamina is something that you lack at.
It's about personality. Like, genuine people don't. Like, good boys don't. I've seen
And
a lot.
if they do look, they'll come and talk or they do something. They're just not like oogling at it and creepy.
No,
That's
it's
a
not
man.
baby. Don't
Yeah.
cry like a five-year-old
I mean, it
girl.
doesn't- exactly.
So that's what actually hits them up, and then they think that
It's okay to have some man tears and cry. Anyway, don't forget to dress up, stay strong and stay stylish. Don't forget to stay tuned and learn a whole lot more things and learn a whole lot new things about this thing called social dynamics. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.